Today I will be showing you how to convert your images in bulk so you can save time. You might be someone working with lots of images, and converting them one by one can consume lots of time. So here's how you can convert them in bulk to save time. I will be using a service called imgKonvert.com to convert my files. I chose this service because it has no size limitations or conversion limits. You can convert unlimited files in all sizes. So let's get started. Here I have my files in a folder, and I just simply choose my files and drag and drop them into this upload box here. After that, you can see it shows that I uploaded 11 files here. But before I click this download button, I chose my desired file output. I want my images to be in WebP format, so I can optimize these images for web browsers. After I chose this, I simply click the Download 11 Files button here. And my conversions and downloads start. It might take a while because I uploaded lots of files here, but it will be still a lot faster than other services that use servers and other stuff. So here I'm waiting for these files to convert and start downloading. And you can see that I have my files downloaded in a zip file here. And here you can see I have all of the images that I uploaded converted to WebP file format. It was fast and it did it all in bulk, so I didn't spend time uploading these files one by one. So I saved a lot of time, and it was a lot more efficient and faster way of doing this. So if you want to try the service, I will link in it down below so you can start converting your files, your images efficiently. And thanks for watching.